two specialties that I have been trained in are adjusting the jaw and the cranial bones. Needless to say, these are not adjusted with forceful thrusts, but with gentle holding and massage. Because these structures are so close to the brain, if they're not in balance, it can cause enormous stress on your nervous system. This can translate into so many different problems: headaches, jaw and teeth pain, neck and shoulders, digestive, and many other. Instead of you having to go to a separate specialist for these types of adjustments, I offer these techniques to you as a part of my regular office visit.